Your pressure washer is one of the most useful tools for cleaning your home and outdoor spaces. But if you neglect its care, it won't last long and you'll end up spending more on repairs or replacements. Let's dive into how to keep your pressure washer running smoothly for years to come. Neglecting maintenance can lead to reduced pressure, pump failure, leaks, and inefficient cleaning. For instance, blocked nozzles can restrict water flow and increase wear on your machine. Let's take a look at some worn-out machines and leaking hoses to understand the impact of neglect. Before each use, check that your water supply is connected and flowing. Inspect hose and gauge connections for any damage and ensure your nozzles are clean and free of clogs. Let's see how to inspect hoses, clean filters, and replace O-rings to keep everything in top shape. After you finish cleaning, it's crucial to rinse out any detergent from the system. This prevents chemical residue from causing damage. Also, drain any excess water to avoid internal rust or frozen pockets. Watch as we flush the machine, dry and store the hose, and wipe down the unit. Periodic deep care is essential. Check and change the pump or engine oil for gas models, inspect and replace worn hoses or nozzles, and clean cooling vents and mufflers. Store your unit in a dry place and use pump protectant or antifreeze for long-term storage. Here's how to change oil and winterize your unit. Be aware of common mistakes that can shorten your pressure washer's lifespan. Running the machine without water, ignoring strange noises, using low-grade detergents, or storing it in damp conditions can all lead to issues. Let's look at some examples of dry run damage and cracked hoses. To recap, always perform pre-use checks, flush, and store your machine properly, and keep up with periodic deep care. Watch for warning signs and invest in quality parts. Treat your pressure washer like the valuable tool it is. Schedule your next maintenance and mark it on your calendar. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more equipment care guides. Share these tips with your maintenance or cleaning team, and let's keep those pressure washers running strong.